Hi, Ash here, and Kaidyn. I entered her into a contest on one of the comic groups that I'm in, and she won. So she got her package today, and she's going to unbox it, even though it's in an envelope, to see what she won.
It's so big.
Alright, so go ahead and open it, babe. You want help opening it?
I shall do it on my own.
I sure you don't want help?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be like 10 minutes of you unwrapping this envelope.
Yes.
I gotta speed this up a little, maybe.
Hey, not package.
I'm only undoing the tape for you. There.
Good.
See, it's open here.
Oh, it's open?
Yeah, then open top.
Ooh, bubble wrap. My favorite thing in the world.
Oh my god.
That's everybody's favorite comic.
She won bubble wrap.
I'm gonna make you so excited with this. What's in there? I don't know. I'm trying to take it out. What is
It looks like it's wrapped really good.
bubble wrap?
Hold up. Looks like a slab.
Ooh.
Slab. It just means that it's ungraded and it's in a container. Hold on, let me get this tape off.
There's a bunch of bubble wrap in here.
It's the good kind too, the big fat bubble wrap.
Oh, there's a bunch of bubble wrap in here.
Big fat ones. Okay, take something out.
Something. First thing I take out. I hold it up.
What is it? That's the back.
Oh, this one.
Do you know what it is?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
It's Thanos.
Thanos. Infinity Gauntlet. It's a 9.8. I'll unwrap that in a second while she's looking through these other comics. Here. You just take one out and hold it up and see what it is. Well, I open your Avengers. What one? Avengers JLA 2 of 4.
Okay. Don't know what that means, but that sounds pretty cool.
It looks like Avengers and Justice League in one comic together, which is pretty cool. Alright, I got this unbagged, so I'm gonna show you this real quick.
Ooh.
Closer. But basically,
You could also slip
Infinity
and
Gauntlet,
show them the Dungeons and Dragons.
9.8.
You can show them the Dungeons and Dragons part now.
It's pretty sweet.
I also got a collector set.
Set of what? Oh, Robin?
Yeah.
Cool. Like, it looks like it comes with like a holographic or hologram trading card. Oh, look, it's like a bunch in one.
Yep, it's a bunch in one.
She got a Robin collector set, and it has a hologram trading card in it.
Trading card.
And oh, this is the Avengers JLA. Don't know if you can really see it, but it's pretty cool.
Is this another slab? Oh no, it's not.
There's only one slab here.
Transformers.
Ooh. Transformers. What is it?
M&M.
M&M's. Plastic Man. Like some little piggies on it. I've never even heard of this one. She likes the M&M's on the back.
M&M's. I'm pretty sure one is.
That's a lot of comics. She got all these for free from a very nice fellow on the comic group that we're in. Underdog. Ooh, that's from 1975. cool. Uncle Scrooge.
What's this?
Oh, you were looking at the back. Heathcliff.
And then you can turn it over and show them the ad.
Yeah, Kaidyn likes the ads.
Oh, Butters!
It's
No!
just the envelope.
He's eating it. Did they see the apple?
No.
Hopefully not.
Oh yeah, Steve was the gentleman's name that sent us these comics, which is really cool. So what do you say?
Thank you.
Louder so they can hear you.
Thank you, sir. And then this one.
Ooh, that's cool.
Now I can pop this.
Tom and Jerry says 1973 on the little sticky note. I like Tom and Jerry.
I never heard of that before.
You never heard of Tom and Jerry?
Not really.
Oh God, I'm old. Anyways,
I mean, there's Kitty. It sounds a little bit like Kitty.
so out of all these comics, which is a lot for free, huh? That was really nice. Thank you, Steve.
Free.
Thank you. So thank you, Steve.
Thank you, sir.
What's your favorite one that you got?
I don't know.
I thought you'd like the Infinity Gauntlet one since we watch all the Marvel movies together. And
I like Infinity Gauntlet.
Yeah.
Gauntlet.
Gauntlet. Hey.
What?
Anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you again, Steve, for these comics. That was really cool of you to start her own little collection. Because as you can see, we have a bunch in the background, but Kaidyn doesn't really have many of her own. She just has an Adventure Time one that we bought together.
I'm pretty sure that's what's so sad.
But now she has a bunch, and she has a graded comic, which is super cool, and it's a 9.8, which is even better. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.